come to Grammy's house, and we're eating some and putting out some for Santa Claus.
What is that, Regina?
These are hard candies, and this is all the frosting, and these are something that you put on them to frost.
Then you're done?
Cut.
Cut?
No,
Basta, basta.